we're going to go over Hoopla and how to use it. So Hoopla is one of our apps that we use for digital, like ebooks and e-audio books. There's movies and music on it too. But it's something that our patrons can use to download things to their personal devices rather than coming into our library specifically for a book. Phones, tablets, the newer versions of like the Kindle Fires allow for this app, and they do have an ability to go onto their website. So from your laptop, you can go and use this website to look at some of their books, but I do find it to be a lot easier if you're using like a touch screen personal device is usually easiest. So it kind of supplements our library collection. So you can go to our website, or you can come in and get a bookmark that has a QR code, and you would download the Hoopla app on your phone. So we're going to go ahead and open the Hoopla app. So once you download it to your device, you are going to sign in with or create an account with your email address and a password, and you would use your library card to set up the account to our specific library. So that's going to pull the titles that we have available, and it is thousands of titles, so you're going to have a really good time trying to find something that you like. You can go down here and search by category. It can be books. Like I said, audiobooks are some of my favorite ones to download and to listen to when I'm working or on my way to work. And once you find something, then you come here and you just would hit borrow. If you want to look at it for later, you would hit the favorite to come back to it later. You get 7 borrows a month, and they're instant. So unlike with our Libby app or in the library, newer books you might have to put on hold, with Hoopla you get the download instantly. But there is a limit of 7 a month, so just make sure you're keeping track of that. So if you're trying to go through a TV show really fast, you might want to pace yourself, but that would be how you do it. So you would borrow, then you say borrow here, and it will download to your phone. And you just read it like a typical ebook. You can scroll through the pages, and then at the end of the month it returns, or you can return it early, it's up to you. If you're having issues, if you have questions creating a Hoopla account, you can call our library, come into the front desk, and we are glad to help you. We have a Tech Fight program with one of our coworkers who is glad to help you set up your account and learn to use it. If you set up an account and you're getting an error message that your card is not valid and to call the library, it usually means that we just need to update your information. So give us a call. We're free to do that over the phone, and it'll get you going for your Hoopla account.